So now you're sitting in a remote location, you're seeing my screen. I'm going to explain my project, right?
Okay.
See, so let me start with the location, right? When you start location, we talk about the area. Okay, yeah, that's the location. Location is loaded. So we talk about the location, nearby schools, nearby restaurants, all those things I'll talk. See, now what I want you to observe is that you're sitting in a remote location, but I'm able to present everything as if we are sitting together,
Wow.
right? And I'm able to engage you. I'm showing the location directly, okay, and then I bring it to no the project itself. Let me show you project. So this is my project, and the project highlights, right? So when I show you around, so we have Vodala Monorail, Eastern Express Highway, all the nearby locations,
Wow.
right? So you are,
Yeah.
as a customer, you're busy. You're also seeing some images. You're not just
Yeah.
staring at my face all the time. Nobody wants to see salesperson face
Very true.
continuously rather
Very
than
true.
simply seeing the project images. Much more engaging. Today in India, no developer is actually able to do with any other technology. This is the
Yeah.
only technology available today that we can do a virtual presentation, right? So let me
Yeah.
talk about my project itself. Like I say that we start with the amenities. We have this is the gate area, entry area. Let's go inside. There's a central lawn. Okay, and tell me how it is. Is it loading fast? Is it lagging for you? How is it?
What can you repeat?
Is it lagging? Is it smooth? You're able to see the visuals properly?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Able to see the
It's
visuals
correct.
properly.
Yeah.
See, so now that's my central lawn, and then of course yoga. Okay, and let me show you the park. So that's the park area. So as a salesperson, I talk about whatever the features of the project. Now we have cricket pitch, we have jogging areas, we have sitting areas, a lot of things happening around here, and we have amazing clubhouse. So let me take you to the clubhouse. Okay, so the clubhouse sits on the podium level, between the towers, right? So we have the clubhouse is around 2 floors height, sitting in the middle of the towers. uh,
Very true.
the swimming pool, okay, and we have swimming pool about particular size, and this looks beautiful here. uh, when you sit in the swimming pool, the view of the swimming pool is something like this, right? So if you're in a swimming pool, you get to see the panoramic view of the landscape, entire landscape. That's the
Wow.
view of the that's the view, right? You have open sky, right? So from here, let me take you. So we have a very amazing interiors of the gym. All the amenities are very rich amenities,
Nice.
right?
Mm.
So I'm showing the gym. I'm not only talking about the project. Actually, I'm showing the visuals in a remote,
Visuals.
right? So let me show you a couple of more interesting things. That's the central area, sitting areas, open areas. Okay, the
Wow.
lawn area, beautiful lawn area, and let me show you. Uh, there's the business lounge area, right? And then let
Cool.
me take coffee shop. Okay, so many things. So this is how I can show all the amenities, okay, as if I'm sitting with a customer. And once I've done that, let me show you a couple of interesting things on the sky, right? So I'm talking about the sky here. So I'll show you each and every amenity.
Oh.
I can I
Wow.
can still do the I can still do the day net system. It still works,
Oh,
right?
that's it.
I, I can still. So if, for example, if it's a question, you can ask me anything in the project. Come on, Lena, just show me the clubhouse one more time. Do you have a mini theater?
Let's go there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yeah. Let me show you mini theater. We have, of course, we have mini theater
Wow.
in the second floor, and this is the mini theater. It looks so beautiful. We have around 50, 55 seats with a 35 screen, whatever screen they have. Okay, so you have a question, and I'm showing the visual. You know what? Hey, you as a customer, you say, no, hey, I like your screen, your theater. Can you just take me a screenshot of this? Right? Yes. Let me share this.
Wow.
Let me capture this image here. So as soon as this conversation is over, video call is over, I can send you the content also, the images also.
Images also.
So
Very true. That's amazing. Yeah.
that's a library. Let me go back to no the sky, right? The sky, all the sky amenities,
Wow.
right? So the engagement, you sitting in a
It's
remote
very
location
important.
to see project in a 3D, you without having any problem, right? So
That's good.
salesperson will be able to engage for a long time and give all the visuals they required and talk about the project. They can sell better,
Amazingly better. Amazingly better. This idea is going to be. It's an amazing man.
right?
So
So let me also,
yeah, Kumar, continue. Yeah.
yeah, let me show you the floor plans. Okay, similar way. Like I'm just trying to explain, the whole idea of showing the remote remote presentation,
Yeah.
right? So instead of just sending a walkthrough or no website, how much you will be able to talk, how much you will be able to convince presentation. But with this
True.
tool, you will do a proper presentation,
Wow.
right? So I can show
That's
you all
amazing.
the floor plans. I can show you all the floor plans, each and everything. Of course, we can compare if you want to compare. Want to compare. So all the features, RIA features all. So today RIA is working almost online. Of course, it
Online.
is my system, but if you want, you can also control it. If you want to click on any image with your mouse, you'll be able to click on any floor plan. Try to click any
Wow.
floor.
So, but like as you told me that it will be in will be on a very high resolution, then how we can do it on online? Is it possible?
See, I'm doing it online right now.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
what
that's
I'm
great.
doing here, I'm using a smart technology. That's it. I'm using a screen sharing technology. Okay.
Okay, that's
Here,
perfect.
whole idea is that today, because of pandemic, because of this COVID, we're not able to meet directly. Okay,
That's
it's
great.
just that's the problem. Now, the problem with the video call or phone calls, they are very no very crisp in the sense we talk about a particular matter, and there is no way I can engage you more than a particular no time. But with this tool, I'm giving you full fledged presentation,
Wow,
right?
that's amazing. It will be
Even
an amazing concept.
yeah, some of the developers, even if you go to their site office, they'll not be able to give you this kind of presentation.
Yeah, it's not possible, not at all
Not
possible to give that type of
and
presentation.
right now, as a customer, you're actually your complete focus in the screen, and I can see your face continuously while I'm doing the presentation. I know
Yeah,
that customer is feeling, right? So it's as simple as that, and
amazing man.
there is no other engagement, other better engagement than this. What I want to do is I want to show this kind of a demonstration to developers. We'll tell
Developers,
them, see, this is how you can do the
designs.
presentation. Imagine
Yeah,
you have five systems at your site office, five salespeople, and these salespeople just sit on that system. They call customer. So let's connect on Skype or whatever, and I'll do
okay.
this share, and I will be presenting it.
That that will be amazing, man.
Yeah, and not only for this particular no COVID issue, even further future also they can continue using
Yeah,
this.
yeah. It will be amazing. It will be like for a builder, you have clients from Pune also, you have clients from Mumbai also, you have clients from Bangalore also.
Yes,
Like for them,
yes.
it will be an amazing technique to go for it.
It's amazing technique. Yeah. So what we can do is, if you can actually convince some of the clients, I'll be
Yeah,
able to give them demo like this. I'll tell them, imagine I'm a salesperson, and imagine this is your project, and this is how your salesperson can sell it.
that's amazing. Like if we can see the floors, the room from inside, the view of the
Oh yeah,
balcony, is it
view
possible?
of the balcony. Yes, that's a possibility. Right now, in this project, we haven't implemented. Let me see if I can show you some of the.
Yeah. Like from like I think we can go from the lift to the room.
Yeah,
From the
we
lift to
can.
the room, we have gone
Let,
and we have
let
seen the balcony view.
Yeah. Let me show you. For example, I'll just take you to this particular area because in this particular project we haven't built any interior apartments for this project. But I will show you how it looks like if it is a balcony. Imagine this is the balcony. I'm
Yeah,
at a fire no, fire rescue area. Okay, so imagine
wow,
that the balcony.
that
So the
that is
so
amazing. Yeah,
we can generate some 360 images. We can actually put real images if they want to.
okay, that's great. Yeah,
So, see, some enhancements, some customization for each client is required. We will do that, right?
that's amazing.
So,
That's amazing.
so
Yeah,
now I can present to 10 customers in a day, right? I take 1 hour to present to one customer, 8 hours, eight customers, and sitting in office.
it will be amazing, man.